Hello everyone, welcome to Unbox with Alex Trinh, and today we're going to unbox the Tech21 Evo Tactical Extreme Edition for the iPhone 7 Plus. I got this at Target for $14.98, but this was on clearance at Target. If this wasn't on clearance, this would cost me $49.99. I believe that you can get this on Amazon right now, as of right now, for $19.99. So there you go. Today we're going to unbox this thing and try this case on my iPhone 7 Plus, but before we do, let's take a look around the box. So here's the case itself on what it looks like. Here on the left side, it says that this case provides a 4-meter 13 feet drop protection. This is a dust resistant case, and this comes with a limited lifetime warranty. So let's take a look on the left side of the box. The left side of the box shows you a case at a different angle, and here's the right side of the box, protection made intelligent, and here's the back side of the box. Here at the back side of the box, I'm going to read it out loud for you. The Evo Tactical Extreme Edition is designed to give you a full use of your phone in the toughest environments. You can trust the Extreme Edition to keep your phone as beautiful as the day you took it out of the box. Number 1, Extreme Drop Protection. Thanks to the Flex Shock, the Extreme Edition delivers 4 meters 13 feet drop protection. Also, this is designed to work perfectly with your Tech21 screen protectors, and this is a dust resistant case with dust covers on all ports. Your device is kept in clean and free from any dust and debris, and this is an unhinged user experience. The Extreme Edition provides a secure fit and feel and gives comfortable and precise access to all ports and function buttons. Holster is included in the pack, and let's finally open this up. So here's the presentation of the product. Nice presentation. Here, let's start on the right side of the box. You can pause the video to read this for yourself. So here are their promises. Protection made intelligent, so you can read it for yourself. Impact protection evolved, and tested to the limit. So you can pause these parts if you want to read it for yourself. So here's one last look on their promises. And let's take a look on the left side of the box here. So here's the installation, and I haven't said this before, but this is a 2-part case. So here's the Flex Shock, which comes with a rigid surface inside of the case. So we're going to look at it when we get inside. So this is a back integrated with Flex Shock, and here it says that the front frame integrated with bullet shield. So yeah, so here's the left side diagram of how this installs. So this is a 2-part case, and let's finally open up to see what we get. So nice presentation by Tech21. So let me get this out of the case. Here we go. So let me put away the box. And here's the case itself. It comes with a holster that you can clip on with your belt. This does rotate, but I'm not sure if this is is used for a kickstand, but I'm guessing not. But you can figure it out once you get the product. So let's remove this is a plastic holster, but let's remove the case from its holster. And here's the case itself. Let me get a better look for you. Here's the back design of the case. And I'm going to get my iPhone 7 Plus out here, and then we'll try this case on our iPhone 7 Plus. So I have my iPhone 7 Plus ready to go. And here's the case itself. Here's one last reminder of what kind of protection this provides. And yeah, so let's remove the 2-part case. And once removing this, you got to be careful since you don't want to break the plastic polycarbonate frame. So here we go. let's remove the note. And here's the polycarbonate plastic frame. And let me get a better focus for you. Here we go. Yeah, so that's the frame, and this comes with covers for your sound, so dust and debris doesn't enter your phone case. And here's the back side of the frame. And let's finally put this on to our iPhone 7 Plus. But before we do, let's take a look at the TPU case. Pretty good material. As you can see here, this isn't a solid color, but this is a transparent color, so you can't see through good, but at least you can see through your fingers. And here's your rigid edges for your flex shock protection. So yeah, so let's finally put this on. So remember to wipe down your phone to remove any dust that is left. And this is basically a snap-on case, so you got to be careful with this, since you don't want to scratch up the sides of your phone. So it easily snaps on. And let's put this onto our TPU case. So yeah, there we go. Snaps on easily. The installation process of this case is super easy, nothing too complicated. Wipe down the fingerprints that I have. And yeah, so here's the case itself. This is not a Tech21 screen protector, but this is a screen protector that I got from Spigen. As you can see here, there is exposure of the main screen. The glass is not lined up to the glass is not lined up to the case. It's not fully installed yet. So yeah. So as you can see here, you can see the little gap between the case and the screen protector. You can see the little exposure of the phone itself, the phone screen, and a little exposure here, and exposure there. So I'm sure if you get a Tech21 screen protector, I think it would cover all the phone's screen. So here's a look at the screen. And here are the ports, which is covered goodly. Great. And let's remove one port. Here it is for your lightning port. And here's the volume. And here's the switch for your on-off, if you want your phone to vibrate or not. So on, off. This comes with a unique mechanism, as you can see there. And here's the power button, on, off. And yes, pretty good screen protector. So let me log in. Here we go. And volume buttons, they all work. And yeah, so that's about it. If you like this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below what you think about this product. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my other videos on my YouTube channel. And thank you for watching Unbox with Alex Trinh, and I'll see you on the next video.